Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Masih bersama kami Molinari G Poultry Equipment. Saya di sini akan merakit heater ya, merakit pipa heater regulator ya. Nah, sini saya menggunakan super saver heater yang berukuran eksternal. Yang pada umumnya kadang-kadang lainnya sudah memakai. Sekarang ini kita ada alat-alat dan kelengkapan kita
It's so cold outside. I'm alone.
sekarang saya akan selektif dulu ya, biar tidak ada kebocoran. Oke, cara menyelipnya pun kita gunakan ke arah jarum jam ya, ke berlawanan. Oke, sedikit biar tidak ada kebocoran di gas ya. Nah, ini cara menyelipnya pun ini guys. Sampai semaksimal mungkin. Ini ada stop line juga, kita sedikit juga, tidak ada kebocoran juga dia. Input ya ke regulator juga. Oke, kita matikan dulu tutupnya, nanti untuk penutup ya, atau nanti penggunanya dia akan menggunakan kotoran yang kita dapatnya. Masukkan yang masuk ke jalur heater. Dan ini untuk regulatornya, nanti dia posisinya kan teratas. Itu regulatornya. Oke, kita masukkan, putar. Oke, tinggal lanjut, stop kerannya ya. Nah, itu penampakannya seperti itu guys. Nah, dan itu ada stop kerannya. Nah, ini belum disiltip ya, ternyata bisa lupa juga ya. Terlalu fokus sekali ya. Oke, kita putar lagi guys.
I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though I ain't gonna lie.
Oke, sekarang kita akan mengencangkan regulator ya. Kita menggunakan kunci Inggris berukuran 12 inci dan 10 inci ya. Kita pakai kunci Inggris saja. Dan bagian bawah dulu ya. Jangan lupa ya di like, comment, and subscribe. Dan ada klik loncengnya juga agar kita bisa memperbarui video-video selanjutnya. lupa dukung terus di channel ini. Insyaallah kita akan berbagi ilmu. Kita kencangkan semaksimal mungkin ya, dan hati-hati jika agak kencangan dia akan pecah.
I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Sekarang kita bagian atas atau stop run. Oke, kita kencangkan. Oke, terus ups, ini ada yang salah kita naruh. Nah, salah penempatan ya, sorry guys, kita salah penempatan posisinya. Nah, jadi kalau misalkan salah gitu dia yang itunya ikut muter juga ya. Nah, sekarang kita
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Buat terlebih dahulu punya pipa yang merah-merahnya atau penutupnya ya, penutupnya tuh lubangnya.
You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying. I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
Jadi selanjutnya ya memasang dorong puternya di bagian yang kedua. Lalu kita dulu. Itulah caranya.
Fight back.
Masukkan ke lubang. Lubang-lubangnya. Jadi pintunya biar terbuka. Nah, set. Oke. Tinggal tekan ya, biar lebih lagi ya. Oke, jadi seperti ini. Nah, jangan lupa dikendorkan dulu bautnya. Kita menggunakan obeng min.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Maksimal ya sudah. Itu mejanya aja kayaknya kurang.
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Kita ukur agar rapi ya. Kita ukur atau rapi juga ya. Kita buka untuk bentuknya nanti ya. Oke.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah.
Nah, kita coba kembali. Semoga bermanfaat ya guys video ini. Nah, itu ada penjepitnya kabel, jadi sama kulit kabelnya juga ya dijepit ya. Ini video kami belakangan liter, merakit liter. Semoga bermanfaat guys videonya. Nah, jangan lupa di like, komen, subscribe video ini agar kita bisa melanjutkan ilmu selanjutnya. Dari kami merakit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih kawan-kawan.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot. They say